Today I'm going to unbox a very new beauty subscription in India, that is Cutie Pie box. So what is this Cutie Pie box? How did it reach me? It reached me in this cover. So they don't have a website and they have an Instagram account. You can actually buy if you like through that thing, and they have different curations starting from 400, 200 to 600, 700. What I purchased was 700 version. Sorry, 600 version, and 50 rupees was a shipping extra. And what I got was amazing product. See, a beauty subscription selling so much full size of matrix opticare straightening smooth, okay, shea butter. So it is like a hair spa, and this is 500 grams and it is worth 700. What I paid was only 650. I will buy this regularly in a year. For 1 to 2 years it will come just like that. It nourishes our hair so much. So I love this one, and when I go to market, definitely they will not give maximum they can give 50 rupees discount, but this whole box I got for 650. So but this priced at 690. See, it is not even what I paid. I got more than what I paid. So it looks like this inside. It's completely original product, it's not a duplicate one. The seal and the smell, everything is original one, and this is the one which I loved most in this Cutie Pie box, and you can also get it as well. And there is a pouch, okay, with their card called Cutie Pie box, and what are all the contents is written inside. Thank you for purchasing message, and these are all the contents. First content is hair matrix hair spa, and the second one is a very good useful product, that is LAKME 9 to 5 foundation. Actually it came in a cover. I removed it to decrease the time in opening and all. So this is a weightless mouse foundation and it is original one, and the price of this is 585. See guys, it is really worth. So how it looks like, it looks like the normal one, okay, how the mouse foundation looks like, it is like that only. I'm right now not wearing any foundation because to show you how it is having a coverage. I am not applying with any beauty blender or anything because I'm just showing a simple demo. So it is like this. Can you see the difference between just now and with the foundation? It's definitely a massive change. And the next one is again super product. This is HUDA liquid matte lipstick. This also came in a cover. I removed it to decrease the time, to save the time, and the shade looks like this. So it is like this. It is a mauve-ish pink color, and I'm wearing that lipstick right now, and this has a good chocolate flavor. When you just apply, you love this, and this is a long standing one. And I can tell you the other uses of liquid matte lipstick, you can use it as a sindoor. I am actually putting this one only as sindoor. If you are married, if you are unmarried, you can actually use it as a kumkum, liquid kumkum for the face application. So I am as well applying here also. So the liquid matte lipstick not only as liquid lipstick, you can use it as all these two different ways also. So the price of this is 350 guys. And the next my favorite product is this soap. The soap actually came in a cover. So the covered packing and all I will be showing you in the pictures. You can see this is a coconut soap, milk soap, and this is so good. And I actually use almost all the soaps which I get in subscription. First time my husband praised a soap, that is this soap. This soap he loved and my sons also love, and it is actually moisturizing your skin as well, and it is leaving good fragrance to you. And after this there is a small cutie soap called and the price of this soap, this is a VAADI soap, it seems 75. And there is a VAADI facial bar, so this one is that small cutie soap. This also came in cover but I removed it. So it is an aloe vera soap, and this is good for small kids or good for traveling purpose. Just put it in your bag and you can carry it and wash your face whenever it is required. It is an aloe vera soap, so it is a good soap, and the price of this is 30 rupees. And the last one is the face mask from MOND, and the price of this is 100 rupees. So these came in this cute pouch again. So totally I paid 650, and what I received was um, more than 1500. So what I paid double triple times I got. And I love almost all the see I they have sent me 1 2 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. So among the 6, all the products are good and useful. Nothing like I'm not going to use, all I'm gonna use it. So this is an amazing affordable subscription box. If you have 600 or 650 at you, instead of buying fab bag or anything, I would like to purchase this bag because this is giving you a bath essentials, hair essentials, okay, and the lipstick and the makeup foundation, so everything was covered. So I love this cutie pie box, well done. And if you like, what did you like in my video, which product you like most, and is this box really good or not? Tell me in your comment section. Catch you later, bye bye. Additionally, I got this Root Mantra Cucumber face wash as a pre-gift, and you may get a Body Shop face mask also, so you can get any face mask as such.